from day one, Spacestor really got the scope of the job. They listened to what we actually needed. Spacestor really took the time to understand the scope first before actually proposing a design, which was actually quite refreshing. One of the big benefits was that Spacestor did explain that the lockers are a modular system, which is quite convenient because it can fit into really any space that we had in our building.
The lockers have been very hard wearing. They've been strong, well made, easy to clean.
Something we were expecting on day one was obviously a lot of calls as to how do I use my locker. The staff actually just got on with it, the lockers worked. And it's actually quite smart, it's new technology. You don't want to be investing in something that's old technology. The actual system would work on our current access control. We didn't have to go and replace all the staff cards, which would have been an additional cost, which we avoided. So yeah, worked pretty well. You could actually use the data or the analysis from the locker usage and then use that to see, okay, do we need extra lockers in space, X or space Y? We did give Spacestor quite a short lead time. We gave them about 3 weeks to install. The guys worked pretty much through the night and on weekends and swapped some lockers over for us and made some runs longer. It was really, really accommodating and on time, which was impressive. Aesthetically, it looks very, very sharp, very neat. It obviously adds to the aesthetics of the building, so quite impressed.